celebrate Halloween. Yay! Cookies. Hi everyone, welcome back to our show. Today we're at Philomere. We are so excited. Look inside. We're getting the Sally one. You see Sally?
Wow, it's all the Halloween.
You want to get the Sally?
Yes. See here?
Is that Spider-Man?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
Wait, why are you wearing shoes in there?
Go check out Magic.
Look at, he's wearing shoes. Yeah. Let's go. Come on, let's go inside. Wow, look at this big fluffy bear. Ah. So fluffy. Look at Sally. Sally.
Oh, look.
Look, she's a bear. Here's Sally right here. I want Sally. Sally. Jack Skellington. Look at it.
You want Jack Skellington?
Okay. Ah. He's the side.
Or maybe we should get her stuff first and then we can change her.
Hey, look, there's Alpha Alexa and Ryan. That's Ryan's friend, Alpha Alexa. Okay, let's fluff it, but first let's pick the clothes. Let's go find the clothes. Whoa, look at this dress. Where's her size, Sally? Oh, Sally clothes here. Let's check here. Here it is. Let's get Sally's. And then Jack Skellington's.
Can we see?
Look, here's Sally.
That's nice.
And then here's Jack Skellington.
And then grab the shoes.
Yeah. Ooh, look at these ones. These are sparkly for Sally. Let's get this one. Look hers.
I saw a nice pumpkin. Let's go get the pumpkin.
Okay. Okay, guys, go get the stuff. Ooh, look at Sally's black shoes. Matches mine.
That's yours, let me see.
Black. And matches hers. Let's go get the stuff now.
All right, let's go.
Stuffy. Hello. Wow. Is their heartbeat? Yeah.
Wow, that looks cool.
Yeah.
And we want to put it in Jack?
That's cool, huh? You excited?
Yeah. Stuffy.
Grab two of these magical hearts. One for Sally, one for Jack.
Down. These
Oh,
hearts.
those are the magical ones, huh?
Alright, give it a hug and let me know. Do you want more? You want less? Is it perfect?
Perfect.
Perfect?
Yeah, so soft.
Alright, we'll switch for Sally.
Ah.
There you go, you got it. Perfect. Go.
Are you ready for the next one?
Yeah. Go. I got this heart too.
There we go.
All right, you gotta give that one a test.
Yeah. And then look it. I got this one for Sally. This one for Jack Skellington, regular.
Perfect. Alright, you want me to hold one of them? I'll hold one of them so we can do. Ready for a heart?
Yeah. This one.
Shake those hearts up. Up overhead. Warm it up. Down low so it's never too low. Rub it on our friend's head so we're always thinking of Halloween now. Alright, rub it on his head too. On our smile, so we always make each other smile. On Sally's smile, so we always make each other smile. On those arms, because we give the best hugs. Oh, perfect. On our knees, because we always need each other. Perfect. And on the toes, because we're totally awesome. Alright, close your eyes. And make a big wish. You make your wish? Oh, perfect. Okay, put one heart in there. Oh, perfect. Alright, we're going to turn her around and put her heart inside. Oh, perfect. And then you're going to hold on to that. And then I'm going to sew this one up and then we'll switch it around. And you can take it a bath.
Bath over there?
Fashion show, huh?
Bath over there?
Yeah, once they're sewn up.
Oh, I didn't know they have a bath.
We're gonna take a bath. Cool.
Again. Look at his hand is moving.
And then every year there comes a lifetime warranty, so you can always come back in and get it redone or repaired. Alright, Sally.
Alright, what do you tell her?
Thank you.
You're very welcome. You have fun.
Bye. Get us back first.
Alright, let's get him in here for a bath.
Bathing. Splash in the bathtub.
Alright, push the button.
Dub, dub, dub. 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 Sky, dub, dub. Sky, dub, dub. Dub, dub, dub. Dub, dub, dub. Dub, dub, dub. Sky, dub, dub. Done.
Grab him.
Where is the brushes to make it softer? Brush. Now Sally's turn. Okay, let's go. Sally, where are they? Woohoo! Here. Whoa. Sally.
Let me help you.
Look at Sally! Whoa! Now it's the Jack Skellington.
Alright, let's do Jack Skellington now.
Done.
Oh, can you squeeze his hand?
Okay, squeeze it. Maybe next time I can get a apple.
Excellent.
Mama. Look, look. Look at the cute little turtle. So cute. Now we gotta get the pursuit.
Alright, go ahead and scan it.
Where? Okay, so where's the scanner? Here it is. Where we scanned it.
So scan it right there.
Done. Now Jack Skellington's turn.
What do you want to name her? Sally?
So yeah, where's
Sally, you're gonna put it right here. Alright, S
S? Where's S? Oh.
A L L Y.
Why? Where is? Oh,
Alright, go ahead and hit next.
this one?
Go ahead and hit continue, the pink one.
Ooh.
Alright, say yes.
Yes, where is it?
Right here. Right here, you're gonna click right there and you're gonna put your name.
Audrey.
There you go.
Done. Jack Skellington.
Print. Now we're gonna do one for Aiden.
Yeah, let's do this one. I'm so excited I got my Jack Skellington and Sally Build-A-Bear. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.